Hey guys, I've just arrived in Madrid in Spain. So, going to Madrid? What can I do in Madrid for only one day? In today's video, I'm going to be giving you the top 5 Madrid essentials. I have compiled the best places that you can go and see all in one day, so stay tuned for that. If you're really into travel vlogs, then please subscribe, head over to my channel and check out my Let's Go series. I've got plenty of other destinations that you may want to look at. Hey guys, it's Tom, and as part of the Let's Go series, I'm taking you to Madrid in Spain, and I have compiled the top 5 Madrid essentials, especially if you've only got one day in the Spanish capital. Now, I did go there in May, and I did only spend a day there, so this list is especially for those who only have 1 or 2 days in the Spanish capital. The list that I've compiled is to maximize your stay and get the most out of your Madrid experience. So, let's start with the top 5 Madrid essentials. So let's start with number 5. Now, number 5 on our list of Madrid essentials is taking a free walking tour with Strawberry Tours. Now, Strawberry Tours does do free walking tours every single day, and the reason why I decided to choose Strawberry Tours is because it is, not only is it because it's free, but if you do give them a tip at the end of your tour, 10% goes to a local charity. So you're also helping out the local community in your own little way. Now, most of Strawberry Tours, so I say that right, most of Strawberry Tours, they always start in Plaza Isabel at the Opera Metro station. If you check their website, I'll put a link below for their website. You can check out a few of the free walking tours that they do offer in Madrid, and I'm telling you, they are amazing. They know so much about the capital. A lot of them actually finished history in university, so they're the best people to be able to give you the best facts and history about Madrid. Now, the reason why I'm asking you to do a walking tour is not only is it healthy because you're going to be walking around for 2 to 3 hours, but as I always say, it's always good to learn a bit about the history of the city or country that you're in order to make that connection and make your experience more memorable. Strawberry Tours is a free walking tour. You can't miss them when you get to Plaza Isabel. The tour guide is holding a really big umbrella with a strawberry on it that says Strawberry Tours, bright red umbrella, so you won't miss it. But as I mentioned, check out their website because they've got a few different tours. The one I did was the New City tour, 2 to 3 hours walking around the city, and I learnt so much from that 2 to 3 hours. I really feel like I have a connection with the city now, and it actually makes me want to go back because I want to learn more about Madrid. So let's check out a few clips of the tour. I'm not going to give you everything because I want you guys to do it yourself, but I've got a few clips here and there of the places that we went to, just so you get a rough idea of what you'll be able to see in the day.
Finishing off the Habsburg dynasty, which is the dynasty that made Madrid the capital in the 16th century. And well, we have a period of 13 years of war known as the War of Secession, in which the throne is eventually won by Philip the Early. Something that is there, something that is not there, or a very interesting story that happened in Madrid that everyone knows. And for that reason, in some cases, for example, this street is literally Carinal. Carinal means full with honey, sugar, and almonds. Normally, almonds, paste or crushed almonds in many different combinations that have, well, many possible variations. It's very tasty, and this is one of the best places in the city to try it because it's all handmade. Back in those days, we have no Divas, we have no 7-Elevens, but we already had a busy nightclub life. And not only people partying, which we have plenty. It's a kind of gold use that emphasizes phosphorescence. We have actually playing a lot with that, also considering that here in the moment, no? Just
let's go on to number 4. In our top 4 of the 5 Madrid essentials is going down to Puerta del Sol. Now in Puerta del Sol, it's one of the busiest areas of Madrid. It's actually where Kilometer Zero is. Kilometer Zero is basically the center of Madrid where all of the streets start from, and that's where they calculate all of the kilometers in the city. So you'll actually be able to take a nice picture from Kilometer Zero at Puerta del Sol, so I thought that was pretty cool. Also, all of the amazing characters, there's a lot of people doing statues, there are also a lot of people painting there, and there's a lot of different people that you can bump into. It's just a really nice and busy area to head down to. Also, you can see the bear and the strawberry tree, which is one of the most iconic figures in Madrid, and it's actually on the coat of arms. So do make sure that you take a picture at the bear and the strawberry tree when you get down to Puerta del Sol. So number 3 on our Madrid essential list is going shopping on Gran Via. Now Gran Via is the busiest street in Madrid, and you'll see a lot of shops just all in a row down on Gran Via, and it's one of the best areas to go shopping. Now if you're into a lot of the worldwide brands such as Zara, H&M, Topshop, etc., head down there because they are well known for their sales. Whenever I go to Madrid, there's always a huge sale there, and you're going to get some great bargains. So do head down to Gran Via and shop till your heart's content. So number 2 on our Madrid essential is to head down to Mercado de San Miguel, or Market of San Miguel. Now there's a lot of history behind this market because it actually started in the early 1900s, and that's where a lot of vendors would sell a lot of fruits, vegetables and food, and it's been renovated throughout the years. It's even been privatized. So now if you go to Mercado de San Miguel, it's been renovated in the last few years and it looks amazing. When you go inside, you can grab some tapas, some ham or jamon, also some fruits and vegetables, some fresh fruits and vegetables, and the best thing that I ask you to do is to get a cup of sangria or 2. It's only €5. I got a large cup, €5. Now what's sangria? Sangria is a very traditional drink. It originated in Spain and Portugal, and it's basically a red wine drink or red wine punch, and in the red wine they have mixed some orange juice, lemonade and also some chopped fruits, which makes it a very refreshing drink to have on a hot summer's day. So let's check out a few clips on Mercado de San Miguel. Okay guys, afternoon in Madrid, and it's sangria time, €5, and you can get this amazing drink. So in Madrid, it's the only major drinking here in town. So what's the best thing to do in Madrid? Well, the number 1 Madrid essential is heading down to Chocolateria de San Jeans and getting some churros. Oh my god, the churros, wow, it is absolutely amazing. If you don't know what churros are basically a donut type of dough, but they're in long strips. Now the best thing about getting it at Chocolateria de San Jeans is you get it with a hot chocolate. The hot chocolate in Madrid is not specifically sweet, it's more about the flavor of the chocolate, which I love, and the most traditional way to eat it is to dip your churros in the hot chocolate, and it only costs €4, so it's a great experience. When you go into Chocolateria de San Jeans, which is just next to the San Jeans church, right in the city center of Madrid, you'll see a wall of famous people's pictures who have been there through the years, and that has had the chocolate con churros, which is the churros and hot chocolate. So do head down to Chocolateria de San Jeans and have some churros and hot chocolate to make sure you cap off a true Madrid experience. We're going churros hunting. It's the best place to get churros in Madrid, so here it is. Okay guys, for €4 you get this really nice hot chocolate and 6 churros, so bottoms up I guess. Okay, so let's do a quick summary of the top 5 Madrid essentials. So number 5 is going on a free walking tour with strawberry tours in order to get the most out of the history behind Madrid in 2 to 3 hours. Number 4 is going to Puerta del Sol to check out the bear and the strawberry tree and also all the characters in Puerta del Sol. Now number 3 is heading down to Gran Via and shopping until you drop at all the sales down there. Number 2 is going down to Mercado de San Miguel and grabbing that glass of traditional sangria. And number 1 is going down to Chocolateria de San Jeans and having a chocolate con churros. Okay guys, so that's our video today. Thank you for watching. If you did like this video, please don't hesitate to like and share this video, especially if you've got some friends heading down to Madrid. Share this video with them so they can get some tips on what they can do when they're in town. Also, if you haven't done so already, do head down and subscribe. Just click that button right here, subscribe. Head over to my channel. You might see a few other videos that you might be interested in too. If you're on Facebook and my website, they're both tomsylvester.com. So let's keep in touch there. Also, if you are on Instagram, my Instagram is tomsylvester. There you get a lot of behind the scenes footage, and also you can be a part of my polls in helping me decide on what my next video should be about. So before we go, let me ask you a couple of questions. What do you want to do when you go to Madrid? And if you have been to Madrid, what can you suggest for us to do there? So hit me down in the comment section below. Let's have a chat about it and help us have the best experience in Madrid possible. So until next time, until the next Let's Go Travel vlog, do take care and see you then. So I finally made it back to the hotel, guys. It's been an amazing day. That walking tour is completely worth it. I know it's free, but just give a tip to the tour guide because they're amazing. It's such an educational tour and you learn so much about the city, especially when it's a local tour guide. So anyway, time for bed, so I'll see you guys next time.